Meta quietly rolled out their new ad algorithm and it's destroying ad performance. People don't know why. Meta's engineering team put out this document that goes over Andromeda, which is their deep neural network for how ads are actually delivered, but it's extremely technical and doesn't really go over how it impacts your ad performance. And before we get into this, I'm the founder of Play. Play is an AI ad platform that manages over 100,000 ad campaigns across many different types of businesses, so we see a bunch of ads. Now, at its core, Andromeda is supposed to go beyond the broad interest category of you like shoes to you like shoes in this specific context. Now, that's why the ad pros actually love Google ads more than Meta ads, because Google has built-in context. People are actually searching for what they want to find or what you might offer. That isn't why Meta made this change. Essentially, their old system could not handle the number of new ad variations created by Advantage Plus and also with Gen AI tools like Play. Really all about creative. And Andromeda is quote unquote designed to handle this explosion of creative options. So think about it this way. If you only provide Meta with one product image, Meta can only try that angle. But if you create ads that lean into different pain points and customer personas, the system can learn who responds to each and deliver ads that feel more personal. And creative diversification shows up in a few key areas. Concepts and angles, which is like testimonials, problem solutions, pain points, and formats. So short video, long video, static images, carousels, and personas, where you're speaking to different customer types. Now, the bottom line for how this impacts you is that targeting largely happens inside of the ad now. Instead of worrying so much about age, gender, interest levels, focus on ads that speak to the people you want. Keep ad sets broad and let Andromeda match. The second is stop chasing the perfect ad combination. The winner for one person may flop for another. Andromeda personalizes delivery so the right person sees the right variation. Two things, there's fewer reasons to overcomplicate your campaign. Yes, you need a different campaign for each goal still, but you may not need more than that. You'll rarely need multiple ad sets just for targeting, because the targeting happens now more at the ad level. Overall, with this update, your campaign build out should be getting simpler, while your creative strategy needs to get deeper. So you should be spending more time on creating diverse, thoughtful ads. So will Andromeda increase your results? Meta says that Andromeda has yielded an 8% increase in ads quality. It should improve performance, but it's not going to guarantee any results. Performance relies on the ads that you provide. So if you're not getting results, it's not because Andromeda doesn't work. It's because you haven't successfully convinced your potential customers to convert. That's why with Play, we already have all these best practices built into the platform, so you don't have to stay on top of all this stuff. We have dozens of ad creative generation features to always keep everything fresh, consistent, and diverse. With built-in campaign setup, still offering you customization with a focus on all the Advantage Plus options as well, and multiple optimization features to take your ads to the next level. We actually spend a ton of money on ads, just testing out new features, new algorithm updates, seeing what works, and we just plug that into the platform automatically so you can take advantage of them. At the end of the day, Andromeda has the power to make your ads feel more personal, but your creative and strategy still determines whether that potential will actually drive performance.